Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC. So for instance, this is the background and this is like the overlay on top, and then I'm just going to go to cutout just to show you guys. And for instance, I want to add in like an overlay but like behind them. I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add this to track. Now this is going to instead be on top of this video, and I want to order this layer to be behind them. So I'm just going to select this, go to basic, scroll down, and I'm just going to choose layer 1. And this will automatically change to layer 2. And I am going to just choose another blend mode so you guys can see. And again, I want to put this behind them, so I'm going to choose layer 2 instead, and this should change to layer 3. That is basically how you can kind of like order layers on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!